Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview. And this is Chris. We are going to continue to talk about the Notepad++. And on my previous video, I showed you how to edit a PHP file or to open a PHP file. Now this time, let's try to open a CSS file. So of course, we all know that CSS are for those webmaster geeks or people using blogs such as WordPress. They really need to know more of the CSS. So right now, I have saved a WordPress theme here on my computer, and let's try to see if we can open it with the Notepad++. So right now, let's try to look for it. There you go, WordPress themes, professional, and let's go to the CSS folder, and let's have the IE8 style. So as you can see right now, we have here the CSS style of the WordPress theme. So as you can see, we can span the tooltip, and of course there is a background color here, the URL that it probably calls, and of course the image. So there, as you can see, we can even edit several CSS. I can open the IE7 and compare them side by side. So there you go. We can even open the IE6 style again, and right now we can compare the three. So as you can see, this is good for people who are editing CSS for their WordPress, and also we can even check on the PHP, even the footer PHP of the WordPress, and compare it with the CSS. So this is Notepad++, and I do encourage you guys to try and download this at 8downloads.com. This is Chris again saying have a great day to all.